1925 Triumph, beautiful engine, here on the salt flats, no ordinary Triumph, flathead design, side valve, ancient frame, rear suspension, none, just a foam padded saddle. The handlebars, the forks, not original, these are hydraulic forks, certainly not 1925, but we've still got a hand change, augmented oil pump, and this is unusual because it's supercharged. Yes, running 2 bar, 14 pounder boost, and original gearbox. Fantastic. What a great machine to be out here on the salt, setting a vintage record, 1925. What else is there to say? Fast and furious, but old and lovely.